Hello guys, today I am going to share my review on Nova rechargeable hair and beard trimmer. The model number is NG1149. It's a super groom with 8 accessories. The settings can be adjusted from 1 to 16 millimeter. And let's look at the accessories that comes with this trimmer. Here there is a guide comb with 3mm, 6mm and 9mm and 12mm settings, so there it's four are included. And here there is a precision trimmer, and here it's a nose and ear hair trimmer and a basic hair trimmer. It can be used for 45 minutes and the time required to completely charge is like 6 to 8 hours. And there is a LED display to indicate the battery. And here are the list of accessories that comes with this box. Okay, so we'll go through it. One hair trimmer, precision trimmer, nose and ear hair trimmer, one combo attachment with 9 settings, 4 combo attachment, 3, 6, 9, 12. And the accessories include one storage stand, that is this one, and one USB cord for charging the cable, and a cleaning brush and bottle of oil. So let's look into it. So we'll just rip off this seal. We have the charging cable. Let's see how long it is, the charging cable. This is the charging end, and this is a USB port, so you can even charge it using your laptop or any device that has a USB port. So you necessarily don't have to have a DC adapter with you all the time. So that's pretty handy. And we'll look at the attachments that comes with this. Here it's a brush. Here is the oil that's used for if the trimmer is getting too hot, or to make the blades move a little bit faster and smoother, you can use this oil if you have any problem like that, so it's handy. And we have these guide combs of 4 different settings available. Here is the 9mm setting, and here is the 3mm, and here it's the 12mm. Everything is marked here, so that's pretty good. And here is a 6mm guide comb. So it's all for the hair trimming, so you can adjust the height of the your hair with this comb, so that only everything that comes under here will only get cut. Okay, so for that we have 4 of these combs. Now let's look at the trimmer. Here is the trimmer. This is how it looks. Let's just press. This is the, hope you can hear a sound. This is the sound. Not very bad, and the vibration is also, there is not that much of vibration. Here is how it looks. Okay, there is also a large blade that comes with this. So here is a button, you need to press it to actually release it. And settings are marked. this height can be adjusted. Okay, this height can be adjusted, so you have like 1 to 16 mm height. So I'll just show you how to put this back in this slot. You need to align it with this portion and this portion. Okay, it can get break really fast if you are not really careful when putting this. So make sure that these two portions are aligned. Okay, better you keep it like, press it like this and slightly push it. There is a button. Okay, push the button, then slide it, otherwise there is a good chance this can get break easily. So press the button always and then slide it according to the size requirement you have. Okay, this is the marker. So if you need it for adjust the height for 6 meter, then slide it to the 6 meter point, so it will raise, and only the portion beneath it will get cut. Okay, so always be careful when sliding this to the blade. So now I would like to show you how to remove this hair clipper from this trimmer. For that you need to just apply some pressure here with your thumb, just like this, and that's it, it's gone. Okay, this is how you take off the trimmer head. So to insert it, it's simple. I hope you can see here there is a lock, and this is where it goes into the lock. This is the portion, so you need to make sure that it's aligned to that lock, and just simply press it, and that's it. When you hear the sound, make sure that the lock is in place. So that's how easy it is. Now for this you have the option to actually adjust from 1 to 16 millimeter. Okay, as you can see here, you can adjust it from 1 to 16, so you can adjust the height of the haircut. You have two options with this trimmer. The one option is using this sliding adjustment. The other option is the preset comb that comes with the hair clipper. Okay, so you can use this, or you can use the preset comb that comes with this. Okay, I already showed you how to use this sliding adjustment. Now I just want to show you one example of how to use this fixed comb. Okay, you can just use the fixed comb like this and just press it. Okay, here, did you hear that sound? That's it, you have that adjustment of 12 mm. Now you can use both the options, whatever is okay for you. Okay, and how to take off it is from applying some pressure just here, and it will come off. The easy way is to take it off, then taking it just like that. That's how simple it is to attach this hair clipper to this comb of 12 mm. And the settings are all similar for this 3 mm, 4 mm, and all the other settings as well. Okay, so now that aside, we'll look at the other accessory that come with this trimmer. This is for very precise cutting. Okay, as you can see, it's really small, and you can have some precision trimming with using this one. This is because this is really small, and it can go to even the smallest corners where you need precision cutting. You can use it to get cutting for your sideburns and eyebrows. Wherever you need precision cutting, just remember this, you can use it. Okay, the attachment are also similar to this, the other one. You have like a lock setting here, and that goes into it just like this. Just apply some force and the clicking sound, and it's there. Okay, just to take it off, just apply the pressure and it goes off. And we have now one more accessory. This is used for nose and ear trim. This is a bit tricky with all these rest of the accessories. You need to align it exactly to this position. Now that you are like this, just press it, okay, and that's it. It's attached to the trimmer. This is the nose and ear trimmer. I will just show how it's done. As you can see, you can hear the sound. The blade is running inside. You cannot actually see what's happening, but there is a blade that's actually running inside. Okay, I'm just stopping it. And finally, now we have the stand where we can keep the trimmer. Once it's done, you can keep it just like this. Okay, this is how it looks. This oil can be used when you feel like the trimmer head is getting really heated up, or it's not as smooth as it used to be. You can just take off this cap and put some oil and use it like before. So it's really handy. I have not seen any other brand giving oil for the trimmer heads, so it's nice to have. This is the guide that came along with this trimmer. Here it's explaining how to use the trimmer and everything. Okay. Just a small guide. These are the accessories that came in this product, so I'd like to show you everything that came in. Okay, my final verdict on this product is this is made of plastic, and you do not get an adapter with this product. You have to have your mobile adapter or something like that, so it's not included in the box. And the other thing is, if you want a body groomer for this one, it's not there in the box. There is no body groomer included, so it's good for trimming your hair and your beard. It's not for shaving actually. So that's the some disadvantage of this product. Other than that, if you want a hair clipper or a nose trimmer and something that's under 2000, this is best option for you. And this is not waterproof, and you can clean all these parts in water, but you have to detach it first from the trimmer. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe, and if you want to buy this product, I'll include a link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.